Hello friends, my name is Sujit Prajapati from KS Rock College. I got 89.84% in HSC examination. I am pleased that I have joined Vision Academy. All professors of Vision Academy help us to achieve our goal. I am looking forward to choose my career in CA profession. I am sure that I will clear this stage with good marks with the help of Vision Academy. All credit goes to my teacher, my parents and my friends. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Mamta Gupta from KS Rock College. I got 89% in HSC examination. I joined Vision Academy for SYJC. All the teachers are good and give their 100% support to the hardworking student. All the teachers are well educated and conduct regular tests and effective class. I think all the credit goes to my parents, my teacher as well as my friends. I think I got desired percentage in HSC. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sonam Patel. I am studying from Vidya Vikas Universal College. I have scored 82% marks in HSC examination because of my Vision Academy especially. All teachers of Vision Academy are very experienced and teaches to students in a very professional way. They always motivate the students about their future career and studies, and they are very strict and responsible towards board students. A special thing in Vision Academy is that they always organize tests like board exams, especially for board students, and they always take care of their students about their future career and goals. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Mukesh Yadav. I am from NL College. I scored 81% in HSC examination. I am blessed that I study in Vision Academy. Vision Academy plays vital role in my academic study. There are lots of experienced faculty who teach me and guide me very well. There are all experienced faculty motivates me for my brighter future. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Khan Sabina and I have given HSC exam. I got 80.76% in my HSC exam Commerce. I would like to thank all sirs and teachers of Vision Academy who supported me throughout the year. Thank you so much Vision Academy.
Hi friends, my name is Mulla Jahra Khatun from Bal Bharti College. I got 84.80% in SSC examination and 80.30% HSC examination. I joined Vision Academy of Commerce. There are separate teachers of all the subjects. They regularly conduct lecture, tests and surprise tests. I attend all the lecture and give tests properly. I follow all the guidelines of all the subject teachers. Regular test practice and hard work changed me after joining this institution. All the teachers of Vision Academy always motivated me to do hard work and get the good marks so that I got the desired marks in the examination. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Shruti Singh from Dr. T.R. Narvani College. I got a 73% in SSC examination and to get a 80% in HSC examination. There is huge changes in myself after joining these classes. I place that I study at the Vision Academy. Here all the professors at the best to choose our career option and achieve our goals. There are the different professors are appointed to teach us and all the professors are very cooperative. The best thing about the Vision Academy is the system of the exams, tests, prelims and doubt solving session etc. These things are getting the confidence to us scoring a high marks. मैं स्पेशली अपने पेरेंट्स को, क्लासेस के टीचर्स को एंड फ्रेंड्स को शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने मेरा इतना सपोर्ट किया.
My name is Khushbu Yadav from Bal Bharti College. I have given HSC board examination with 80%. I would like to thanks of Vision Academy, all teachers and all members. They not only supported me in my study but also increase my all interval activities. Thank you sir and teachers of Vision Academy.
Hello friends, myself Ashwini Kesavani from Vidya Vikas Universal College. I got 73% in SSC examination and now I got 78.15 in HSC examination. When I joined Vision Academy, I find huge changes in myself. Classes conduct surprise tests for board students. They maintain their discipline strictly. They guide the student personally for hard work. They conduct revision and doubt solving lectures also. Thanks a lot to my family and also to the Vision Academy. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Aman Barnwal from Dalmia College. I got 77% score in HSC examination. I am glad that I had studied from Vision Academy. I had a great and best time in Vision Academy. They explain each and every term of our syllabus. They personally teach us very happily and cover all the educational parts. Here I recommended Vision Academy for the students to grow more and more.
Hello friends, my name is Renuka Prasad. I am from Dr. T.R. Narwani College. I got 75.23 in HSC examination and especially in account subject. I got 98 marks out of 100. That is possible because of Vision Academy. Vision Academy teachers are professional and experienced in their subjects. They always motivate to students regarding their careers to achieve their goals. Very special thing in Vision Academy, that is they organize chapter wise tests, surprise tests, doubt clearing lectures, 3 to 4 prelim exams. Therefore the students achieve their goals. Thank you to all teachers, my parents and friends.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम पवन गुप्ता है और मैं डालमिया कॉलेज से हूँ। मुझे एचएससी एग्ज़ाम में 75% मिले, जिसका कारण ये है कि विज़न एकेडमी में डेली बेसिस पे लेक्चर होना, टेस्ट होना, जिससे कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ एंड आई गॉट गुड मार्क्स इन एचएससी एग्जामिनेशन. डाउट सॉल्विंग लेक्चर हेल्प मी एंड सॉल्व माई ऑल क्वेरीज एंड ऑल द क्रेडिट गोज टू माई टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड माई फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi friends, my name is Yasmin Sheikh from Dr. T.R. Narwani Junior College. 62% and SSC and 73% and HSC examination. मेरा 10% इम्प्रूव होने का पूरा क्रेडिट हमारे क्लासेस को दिया जाता है, क्योंकि हमारे क्लासेस में हर सब्जेक्ट के अलग अलग टीचर्स अवेलेबल है. हमारे क्लासेस में चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट लिया जाता है. उसमें कोई भी गलती होती है तो उस गलती को आइडेंटिफाई करके हमें उसमें इम्प्रूव करने की सलाह देते हैं. और हमारा डाउट सॉल्विंग लेक्चर भी होता है. जिसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो उसको पर्सनली प्रूव करने के लिए बोला जाता है. हमारे क्लासेस में हर चीज़ अवेलेबिलिटी है. थैंक यू सो मच माई पेरेंट्स एंड माई ऑल टीचर्स and my friends.
Hello friends, my name is Saroj Kishan from Sentence High School. I have given HSC board examination. I got 78% in my HSC board examination results. I would like to thank all my teachers of Vision Academy of Science. Thanks. They not only supported me but also they increased my internal ability of reading and studying. Thank you to all members of Vision Academy staff, teachers and all. I will be always thankful to all staff of Vision Academy and teachers. Thank you teachers.
Hello friend, my name is Vikas Chaurasia from Sentence Junior College. I have scored 76% in HSC examination with the support of my parents and teachers. Vision Academy plays a lead role in my college year life. Vision Academy is a platform for the student to achieve their goals with flying colors. Members of the Vision Academy always deals with the student with a friendly manner and support the student to achieve their goals. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ranjan Gupta. I am from T. Bhatia Junior College of Science. I recently passed my 12th standard with 74% in science stream. Vision Academy play vital role in my academic years. They have lots of experience and faculties. Yes, I can say Vision Academy is a best education platform for ordinary student to become extraordinary. Vision Academy, dream it, do it. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Chaudhary Fatima Kausaf from Sanskar Dham College. I have passed my HSC board exam with 74%. The Vision Academy of Science has played a vital role in my studies. It not only helped me to get good marks, but it also helped me to develop my skills, personality, etc. I would like to thank all the teachers and professors of Vision Academy for such support and caring. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Vishal Yadav and I'm from Sri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science and also from Vision Academy. At present, I have cleared my HSC examination with 72% from science stream. With the blessings of my parents and the huge support of Vision Academy, I have achieved my goal. Vision Academy is a platform for students to represent their own self in the front of the others. Vision Academy provided lots of faculties for the students. They provided eco-friendly teachers for the students. They also provided lots of facilities like test series, sessional test series, and doubt solving lectures and motivational lecture too. If you want to make your future bright, join Vision Academy. Just dream it and do it. Thank you.